Hi students, exercise 10.4, question number 20. Find the derivatives of sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse x. It means the derivative of the function sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse x. Okay, here solution sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square is assume one function, that is u of x, which is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, 1 plus x square. And another one function v of x, which is equal to tan inverse x. Okay, tan inverse x. To find the derivative of the given function, that is d by dx of u of x divided by v of x. Okay, divided by v of x, which is equal to u dash of x divided by v dash of x. This is called derivative of one function with respect to another one function. Derivative of one function with respect to another one function. Okay, here u of x equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. The differentiation of u of x involving inverse trigonometry function means using substitution method. Okay, using substitution method. Now we take u of x, which is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, divided by 1 plus x square. Here replace x equal to tan theta. Okay, x equal to tan theta into here, that is sine inverse of 2 into tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, 1 plus tan square theta. Here then the formula is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, which is equal to sine 2 theta. Okay, sine 2 theta. And one more property, sine inverse of sine theta, which is equal to theta. Okay, which is equal to theta. Here 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is sine 2 theta. Sine inverse of sine 2 theta. Okay, sine inverse of sine 2 theta. Using the property sine inverse of sine 2 theta, which is equal to 2 theta. Now u of x change to u of theta. Okay, u of theta. Okay, here u dash of theta, which is equal to 2 into theta is 1 means 2 into 1. Okay, 2 into 1. Here v of x equal to, now we take v of x, which is equal to tan inverse of x. Okay, tan inverse of x. Now we take x equal to, okay, x equal to theta equal to tan inverse x. Okay, tan inverse x. Tan inverse goes to left hand side, that is tan theta equal to x. Okay, tan theta equals to x. Here replace tan inverse x equal to theta, that is v of theta. Okay, v of theta, which is equal to theta. Okay, v of theta, which is equal to theta. Okay, here v dash of theta. Okay, v dash of theta, which is equal to 1. Theta power 1 equal to 1. Okay, here v of x, that is v dash of x, which is equal to here dv by d theta into d theta divided by dx. Okay, d theta divided by dx. Here u dash of, that is du divided by du divided by dx, which is equal to du divided by d theta into d theta divided by dx. Okay, d theta divided by dx. Okay, here du by d theta is 2. Okay, and d theta divided by dx means, now differentiation with respect to differentiation with respect to x. Okay, that means tan goes to left hand side, that is tan inverse of x which is equal to theta. Differentiation with respect to x in equation theta means 1 divided by 1 plus x square which is equal to d theta divided by dx. Replace d theta divided by dx is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Here d theta divided by dx. Okay, d theta divided by dx which is equal to tan inverse x means 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, now dv by d theta is 1 into d theta divided by dx is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, now to find u dash of x, this is the u dash of x. Okay, u dash of x is 2 divided by 1 plus x square. This is u dash of x divided by v dash of x. This is v dash of x, that is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Now cancel 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, 2 divided by 1 which is equal to 2. This is called the derivative of one function with respect to another one function. Okay. Question number 22. Find the derivative with tan inverse of sin x divided by 1 plus cos x with respect to tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 plus sin x. It means to find the derivative of the given problem, one function differentiation with respect to another one function. Okay, solution, that is consider this is one function. Okay, that is u of x. Let u of x which is equal to tan inverse of sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. Okay, 1 plus cos x, and v of x which is equal to another function, that is tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 plus sin x. Okay, 1 plus sin x. To find d by dx of u of x divided by v of x which is equal to, that is u dash of x divided by v dash of x. Okay, v dash of x. Okay, here u dash of x means differentiation with respect to x. Okay, now to find u dash of x. Okay, to find u dash of x, that is u of x which is equal to tan inverse of sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. Okay, 1 plus cos x. Here we know that the one property, that is sin x which can be written as sin 2x means 2 sin x into cos x. Similarly to the same process, sin x means 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Okay, using the formula in numerator, and another one formula 1 plus cos x which is equal to 2 cos square x divided by 2. Okay, 2 cos square x divided by 2. Here u of x which is equal to tan inverse of sin x means 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Okay, divided by 1 plus cos x means 2 cos square x divided by 2. Okay, here 2 are cancelled, cos squared are cancelled, sin x by cos x means tan x by 2. That is u of x which is equal to tan inverse of tan x by 2. Okay, now using the property tan inverse of tan theta which is equal to theta. Okay, using the property into here, that is u of x which is equal to x divided by 2. Okay, to find differentiation with respect to x means that is u dash of x which is equal to 1 by 2 is a constant, x power 1 means then the resultant is 1. 1 by 2 into 1 which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, that is u dash of x equal to 1 by 2. Next, to find v dash of x. Now to find v dash of x, here tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 plus sin x is the function. The differentiation of the given function involving inverse trigonometry function means using substitution method. Okay, here we know that the formula cos 2x which is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Similarly to the same process, cos 2x, that is here cos x means cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Okay, in the denominator sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x. Okay, 2 sin x into cos x. Sin x means 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Using the formula into here, that is v of x which is equal to tan inverse of cos x means cos square x by 2 minus sin square x divided by 2. Okay, this is numerator. By denominator 1 plus sin 2x means sin x means using the formula into here, that is 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Denominator using complete square. Okay, complete square, that is 1 can be written as cos square theta plus sin square theta which is equal to 1. Similarly to the same process, angle x by 2 means here, that is v of x which is equal to tan inverse of cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, which can be written as cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Okay, in the denominator 1 can be written as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Okay, whole square, because a plus b the whole square in the expansion cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 is 1. 1 can be written as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 and plus 2 times of cos x by 2 into sin x by 2. This is the remaining term. Okay, so 1 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, which can be written as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 the whole square. Here 1 times are cancelled. Finally we get v of x which is equal to tan inverse of cos of x by 2 minus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2, cos of x by 2 plus sin of x by 2. Okay, in the numerator and denominator take outside cos x by 2, that is v of x equal to tan inverse of, take outside cos x by 2, in each term it is 1 minus sin x by 2 divided by cos of x by 2. Okay, denominator take outside cos of x by 2, the remaining 1 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. cos of x by 2, cos of x by 2 are cancelled. 1 minus sin by cos is tan. Okay, 1 plus tan. Here, that is v of x, which is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan x by 2. Okay, here then the value of tan by 4, tan by 4, which is equal to 1. Replace 1 as tan by 4 into here, that is v of x, which is equal to tan inverse of tan by 4 minus tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan x by 2, which can be written as 1 into tan x by 2. Tan x by 2. Replace 1 as tan by 4 into here, that is tan by 4 into tan x by 2. Okay. Okay. Now using the formula, that is tan of a minus b. Okay, this tan a minus b, which is equal to tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. This is one formula. Okay, now replace a equal to pi by 4, b equal to x by 2 into here, that is v of x, which is equal to tan inverse of tan of a is by 4 minus b is x by 2. Okay, here apply the property, that is tan inverse of tan theta, which is equal to theta. Using the property into here, that is v of x, which is equal to by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, this is v of x. To find v dash of x, that is differentiation with respect to x, by 4 is constant term, differentiate to any constant term is 0, minus 1 by 2 is a constant, x power 1 means then the resultant is 1. Finally we get v dash of x equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, according to principle, that is find the derivative of the given problem, that is u of x divided by v of x d by dx. Okay, d by dx, which is equal to u dash of x divided by v dash of x. The value of u dash of x is 1 divided by 2. The value of v dash of x is minus 1 divided by 2. Simplify, finally we get minus 1. This is the required result. Okay. Question number 23. If y equal to sin inverse x, then find y double dash. What is mean by y double dash? It means y is the equation present of variable x, differentiation with respect to x twice. It means 2 times. Okay, here this is called the higher derivative. Okay, higher order derivative. Higher order derivatives. Okay, listen, y equal to f of x be a function. Okay, be a function. Okay, differentiation with respect to x means this first order derivative. Okay, first order derivatives. First order derivatives, that is it is denoted by y dash. Okay, or f dash of x or y dot. Okay, y dot or y1. Okay, or or dy divided by dx. Okay, dy divided by dx. Second order derivative means second order derivatives. Second order derivative means it is denoted by y double dash of x. Okay, or f double dash of x, or y double dot. Okay, or y2, or d square y divided by dx square. Okay, d square y divided by dx square. Third order derivatives. Third order derivatives. That is y triple dash. Okay, y triple dash of x, or f triple dash of x, or y triple dot. Okay, or y3, or d cube y divided by dx cube. Okay, dx cube. Similarly to the same process up to nth order derivatives. Okay, here to find the second order derivative or third order derivative of the given problem means that is called the higher order derivatives. It means to find more than one derivative with respect to same variables. With respect to same variable is called the higher order derivatives. Okay, now discuss to question number 23. Given y equal to sin inverse x is the given function. Okay, solution y equal to sin inverse x. Okay, sin inverse x. To find y double dash of x, y double dash of x. Okay, to find y double dash of x, it means y is the equation present of variable x, differentiation with respect to x twice means 2 times. Okay, now differentiation with respect to x. Okay, here in left hand side, that is y dash, which is equal to the derivative of the function sin inverse x means 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square, which can be written as 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 goes to numerator means minus 1 by 2. Okay, minus 1 by 2. Again differentiation with respect to same variable, that is x means y double dash, which is equal to, here assume that this is x. Okay, this is n. Okay, x power n means n into x power n minus 1. Once again differentiation with respect to x into the function, that is the constant function is 0 minus x power 2 means 2 into x power n minus 1. Okay, here that is minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus 1 means using cross multiplication, that is minus 3 by 2 minus 2x x power 1. Okay, minus 2 x power 1, that is minus of minus plus 2x divided by 2 into 1 minus x square whole power minus 3 by 2 goes to denominator, that is 3 by 2. Here 2 are cancelled. Finally we get y double dash, which is equal to x divided by 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 2, which is the required result. Okay, y double dash, y triple dash, y4 dash, y5 dash. Similarly to the same process up to nth derivative means yn. Okay, y power n. This is called the higher order derivative. Okay. Question number 24. If y equal to e power tan inverse x, show that 1 plus x square y double dash plus 2x minus 1 into y dash equal to 0. Okay, y double dash means using higher order derivatives. Okay, using higher order derivatives, it means y is the equation present of variable x. Okay, y double dash means differentiation with respect to x is twice. Twice means 2 times. Y dash means differentiation with respect to x at once. Okay, solution. Proof. Given the function y equal to e power tan inverse x. Okay, e power tan inverse x. This is given function, that is equation number 1. Consider equation number 1. Differentiation with respect to x, that is dy by dx, that is y dash equal to, assume that tan inverse x equal to x. The derivative of the function e power x is e power x, that is e power x. Okay, once again differentiation with respect to x into the function tan inverse x means, then the resultant is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, here 1 plus x square goes to left hand side. Okay, goes to left hand side. This is equation number 2. Okay, this is equation number 2, goes to left hand side, that is 1 plus x square into y dash, which is equal to e power tan inverse x. Okay, e power tan inverse x. Again differentiation, again differentiation with respect to x. Okay, with respect to x. Now hide the function 1 plus x square. Y dash differentiation with respect to x means 1 plus x square into y dash. Differentiation with respect to x means y double dash. Okay, plus now hide the function y dash into differentiate to the function 1 plus x square, that is constant function is 0. X square is 2x. Okay, which is equal to e power, assume that tan inverse x is, tan inverse x means e power tan inverse x means y. Okay, e power tan inverse x means y, which is equal to y. Okay, here differentiation with respect to x means, that is y dash. Okay, that is y dash. Here 1 plus x square y double dash, this term goes to left hand side, that is plus 2x y dash minus y dash, which is equal to 0. Take outside y dash in second term and third term, that is 1 plus x square whole power y double dash, plus take outside y dash, that is remaining 2x minus 1, which is equal to 0. Hence proved. Okay, 1 plus x square y double dash plus 2x minus 1 into y dash equal to 0. Hence proved. Question number 25. If y equal to sin inverse x divided by square root of 1 minus x square, show that 1 minus x square y2, it means second derivative d square y divided by dx square. Y is the equation present of variable x. Differentiation with respect to x is twice. Twice means 2 times. Okay, here minus 3x y1 means differentiation with respect to x is only once. Minus y, the given function equal to 0. Okay, proof. Given function, that is y equal to, given y equal to sin inverse x divided by square root of 1 minus x square, labeled to equation 1, that is considered to equation 1, goes to left hand side. Square root of 1 minus x square goes to left hand side, that is square root of 1 minus x square into y, which is equal to sin inverse of x. Okay, now differentiation with respect to x. Okay, in the left hand side have implicit function, that is hide the function square root of 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square. Differentiation with respect to x in y, that is y dash, plus now hide the function y, differentiate to the function square root of 1 minus x square, that is 1 divided by 2 into square root of 1 minus x square. Once again, differentiation with respect to x into the function, that is 1 minus x square. Any constant function is 0 minus x square is 2x. Okay, 2x, which is equal to sin inverse x means 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Here 2 are cancelled. Okay, take LCM of square root of 1 minus x square, that is using cross multiplication, that is square root of 1 minus x square into square root of 1 minus x square is 1 minus x square into y dash. Okay, into y dash minus xy divided by square root of 1 minus x square, which is equal to 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Both sides are cancelled. Finally we get 1 minus x square into y dash minus xy, which is equal to 1. Okay, which is equal to 1. Now again differentiation with respect to x. Okay, that is, this is implicit function. Now hide the function 1 minus x square, differentiation with respect to x, then the resultant is y double dash plus, now hide the function y dash, differentiation with respect to x into the function 1 minus x square is 0 minus 2x. Okay, minus, now hide the function x, differentiation with respect to x means x into y dash. Okay, minus y into hide the function y, differentiation with respect to x is 1, which is equal to constant function. Differentiation with respect to x is any constant function is 0. Okay, now here 1 minus x square into y double dash, this is y dash, this is y dash. Okay, minus, take outside y dash. Okay, take outside minus 1 into y dash, then the remaining is 2x plus x, that is 3x. Okay, minus y equal to 0, that is 1 minus x square whole power 1 minus x square into y double dash minus 2x plus x is 3x, that is minus 3x y dash minus y, which is equal to 0. Hence proved. Okay, hence proved. Question number 26. If x equal to a into theta plus sin theta, comma y equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, then prove that at theta equal to by 2, then y double dash equal to 1 by e. Okay, prove. To prove the result, y double dash equal to 1 divided by a. To prove the result, y double dash equal to 1 by a at theta equal to by 2. Okay, at theta equal to by 2. Okay, what is mean by y double dash means y is the equation present of variable x. Okay, present of variable x, differentiation with respect to x at twice. Okay, sorry, present of variable theta. Okay, sorry, present of variable theta, differentiation with respect to twice, replace theta equal to by 2, then the resultant goes to 1 by e, becomes 1 by e. Okay, x equal to y equal to, here x and y are the parametric equation, theta is the parameter. Okay, given x equal to a into theta plus sin theta and y equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, differentiation with respect to theta, that is dx divided by d theta equal to a is the constant, theta is 1 plus sin theta is cos theta. Okay, here dy divided by d theta, which is equal to a is constant, 1 is constant means 0 minus cos theta means minus sin theta. Okay, minus sin theta. Minus of minus plus. Now to find dy divided by dx. Dy divided by dx which is equal to dy divided by d theta divided by dx divided by d theta, which is equal to dy by d theta is a into minus of minus plus sin theta divided by dx by d theta is a into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, 1 plus cos theta. Okay, here a are cancelled. Using the formula sin theta which is equal to sin theta which is equal to sin theta by 2 into cos theta divided by 2, and 1 plus cos theta to cos square theta divided by 2. Here 2 are cancelled, cos theta by 2 cancel. Finally we get dy divided by dx which is equal to tan theta by 2. Okay, tan theta by 2. This is first derivative. Once again differentiation with respect to x. Okay, with respect to x means using chain rule, that is function of function rule, that is y double dash which is equal to d square y divided by dx square which is equal to, here tan, assume that tan theta by 2 is x, means tan x means secant square. Okay, secant square theta by 2, again differentiation with respect to x into the function theta by 2, that is 1 by 2 into d theta divided by dx. Okay, d theta divided by dx, that is the function of function rule. Replace d theta divided by dx means take reciprocal of dx by d theta. Okay, that is secant square theta divided by 2 divided by 2 into d theta divided by dx means take reciprocal, that is 1 divided by a into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, 1 plus cos theta. Okay, here replace theta equal to by 2 in y double dash, that is y double dash which is equal to secant square theta is by 2 divided by 2 into 1 divided by a into 1 plus theta is cos of by 2. Okay, theta is by 2. The value of cos by 2 is 0. Okay, 0. Here secant square of by 2 divided by 2 means by 4. Okay, secant square means 1 by cos. Okay, that is cos of by 4 means 1 by root 2. Square means 1 divided by root 2 the whole square. Okay, 1 divided by root 2 the whole square divided by 2a into 1 plus 0. Okay, 1 plus 0. Here secant square of by 4 is root 2 the whole square. Okay, root 2 the whole square. Here square root are cancelled. Finally we get 2 divided by 2a into 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 2a is 2a. 2 are cancelled. Finally we get y double dash which is equal to 1 divided by a. Hence move. Okay. Question number 28. If y equal to cos inverse x the whole square, prove that 1 minus x square into d square y divided by dx square minus x into dy by dx minus 2 equal to 0. Hence find y2 when x equal to 0. Here given the function y equal to cos inverse x the whole square, it means y is the equation present of variable x. To prove that y is d square y divided by dx square means y is the equation present of variable x. Differentiation with respect to x is twice means 2 times. Okay, twice means 2 times. dy by dx means x is the present of variable in equation y. Differentiation with respect to x is once. Okay, here 2 time means using higher order derivative. To prove the result, hence find y2 when x equal to 0. Okay, solution given y equal to cos inverse of x whole square. Consider the equation number 1. Okay, differentiation with respect to x, that is dy by dx, that is y dash, which is equal to, assume that this is x power n means n into x power n minus 1. Once again, differentiation into the function cos inverse x with respect to x, that is minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, 1 minus x square. Here square root of 1 minus x square goes to left hand side, that is y dash into 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square, which is equal to minus 2 into cos inverse x. Okay, minus 2 into cos inverse x. Now once again differentiation with respect to x, that is again differentiation with respect to x, that is hide the function y dash. Differentiation with respect to the function square root of 1 minus x square is y dash into 1 divided by 2 times of square root of 1 minus x square into, once again differentiation with into the function 1 minus x square is 0 minus 2x. Okay, 0 minus 2x plus hide the function square root of 1 minus x square. Differentiate to the function y dash, that is y double dash, which is equal to minus 2 into cos inverse x means minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Minus of minus plus 2 into 1 is 2 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Now 2 are cancelled. Finally we get minus x y divided by x into y dash divided by square root of 1 minus x square plus square root of 1 minus x square into y double dash plus 2 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Take LCM of square root of 1 minus x square in each term, that is using cross multiplication, minus x into y dash plus using cross multiplication, that is 1 minus x square into y double dash, which is equal to 2. Both sides square root of 1 minus x square, square root of 1 minus x square are cancelled. Finally we get 1 minus x square into y double dash minus x into y dash minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, hence proved. Okay, now to find y double dash. Okay, when x equal to 0. Okay, when x equal to 0, replace x equal to 0 into above equation, that is 1 minus 0 into y double dash minus 0 into y dash minus 2 equal to 0. 0 into anything is 0, minus 2 goes to right hand side, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 into y double dash is y double dash minus 2 goes to right hand side, that is plus 2. Okay, y double dash equal to 2, which is the required answer. Okay, thank you.